Hello and welcome back to English 111 online class. This video is just a short video that shows some of the functionality of this online course. So you have the main top of the page here, which is kind of always up here. The introduction video is what you should have watched first, kind of explains the syllabus and stuff like that, but this is more of a functionality of the actual Moodle page. So you have the news forum, that's where I post information, like I created this course. So if I'm going to send you information or update stuff, I'll do it through the news forum. When I send something out, not only will it be posted here, it'll also be sent to your email address, your Shaw email address. In addition, on this front page, you have the syllabus. This is where you can see your attendance. Attendance is basically based on you turning in your assignments on time. That's how that's recorded. Resources, which we'll get into in just a second. There's the Mind Tap. And you're like, what the heck is Mind Tap? Mind Tap, that is your textbook, which I'll show you in just a second. And then the papers we're going to be writing in this class is going to be in MLA formatting. We'll have a lesson on that, but this is just an example you can always go back to look at that. So let's take a look at the resources. The resources for this class, I created a bunch of videos, which we'll go through at different times during the course, but you can always look at this. These are all designed to help you kind of do a walkthrough step by step on how to do certain things that'll help you with your writing. So again, I'm not going to we'll go over this different things. There's a video that shows you exactly how to set up a paper in MLA formatting, how to do works cited, difference between first, second, third person. You're like, what is all this stuff? Don't worry about it. We're going to teach you during the course of this class how to use the tool to find second person, page breaks, portfolios. So there's a bunch of stuff, and then Grammarly, which we'll talk about. But again, this is just a generally one spot here that has all of these resources, just to let you know what's kind of in there. Now, for this class, you will be purchasing a book, but it'll be an online book. It's called Mind Tap. So if you click on this, how to access Mind Tap, boop, that'll open up a new page, web page, and it explains exactly how you do it. So there is a course, okay, that you would go to. If you just click on this, it'll take you right to the thing, and then you create an account using your email address if you're a new student, okay? And then you'll go in and create a course. Now, eventually what's going to happen is that I'll go ahead and just pull it up here, show you what it's like. I'll sign in as the instructor. The course book is called Steps to Writing Well. So once you get logged in and stuff like that, then you'll actually go and there'll be the Mind Tap thing, and it's broken down by weeks. It's loading up, I promise. There it is. Ta-da! And I'll show you what we're supposed to be doing every single week. Since we're getting started on this online class, there's really no activities to do this week in Mind Tap, and none for next week for that matter. But by the time we get to week 3, that's when you'll have to have this set up and ready to go, because that's where the book is. There's chapter 1, stuff that you have to read, and then there's a quiz, another quiz, and then we jump all the way to chapter 17. But this is the textbook. This is what we're going to use as a textbook. So like if you're going to read chapter 1 on pre-writing, you click on this, and it actually opens up the textbook. Don't make me a liar. There it is. Ta-da! And then you just say, okay, well, I want to read Getting Started. And then you start, and this is your thing. And yay! And even though it's online, you can make notes. You can highlight stuff and whatever. So it's an online textbook, but you can make notes that'll help yourself. So that's your textbook online. And there are activities that you will be graded on. So Mind Tap. Yeah. So let's go back to Moodle. Whoop, whoop. Where are you, Moodle? There you go. So that's how you get that. Now, you do have to pay for it. Now, you can pay online using a credit card or debit card or whatever, or you can purchase it from the bookstore, but since this is online, okay, if you're a little strapped on cash for the first little bit, you can do a free trial until the beginning of February. So, but you will need to purchase this, okay? You will need to purchase this. That is the book for this class. And again, that's found by clicking how to access Mind Tap. Okay, and again, the MLA formatting, the papers for this class will be in MLA formatting. So if you click on this, it just brings up a PDF file that shows you what it looks like. So when you're done writing your paper, you're saying, does it look like this? And again, we'll have a more detailed lesson on how to set that up in the future. So again, that's your basic introduction as far as the stuff here in the top of the page. Now, for the rest of this, you have basically everything is broken down into different weeks. Yay! Now, for full disclosure, just letting you know, this is the same syllabus, same course that I'm using for English 111 taught face-to-face. I am going to have to make a few adjustments over time for it to be more appropriate for an online class. So what you see at the beginning of the class will not necessarily be what we end up doing, but I will make sure that when it comes time to do stuff, then it'll be up to date. To that point, and I've got to be very clear on this, do not work ahead, because you may not be doing the right stuff based on what we're supposed to be doing for this online version of the class. Anyway, so right now, just go ahead and watch week 1 video if you haven't done so, which is found right there. Boop, just watch week 1 video. It's not very long. It'll explain how to do this. All right, if you have any questions, email me. All right, thanks.